Hey guys, Fish here. Today I'm back with another video to be showing you what I made. Okay. One is just a short video because okay, I gotta try to guess what it is. Yep, that's right. Custom play button that I made. Now, I probably haven't earned this, but I'm close to 25 subscribers, so I'm gonna get it. And I made it because I wanted to. Ooh, that's hot. But custom play button. Aiden's been wanting me to make a video about it, so here it is. It's just green swirl, and I cut out the little play button thingy right there. I'll probably make like different ones and stuff, but hope you guys enjoyed the play button. It's now my eyeball. Yeah.